Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Nice conditions out there this morning so far as we have low humidity values and very comfortable conditions compared to what we've seen over the last several days with the heat and humidity that we've been dealing with, and we're going to see pretty cool temperatures continue into the midweek period and see a nice stretch of weather here for the next couple of days. Taking a look at what we saw across the region yesterday, temperatures warmed up pretty nicely during the afternoon. We still had humidity around as well. 88 degrees, the daytime high temperature here at Wallops yesterday. Richmond getting up to 94 degrees. Baltimore and the nation's capital coming in with 91 degree readings. Overnight last night, temperatures pretty wide ranging throughout the region. As you can see off to our north, Baltimore all the way down to 65 degrees, 71 degrees here at Wallops, and then warmer temperatures in the Tidewater region. 80 degrees the overnight low at Norfolk, 78 degrees at the Langley Air Force Base. Over the last 24 hours, some locations picking up some rain. You can see Dover picking up the most with 1.5 inches of precipitation. We stayed dry here at Wallops over the last 24 hours. As of 9 a.m., temperatures generally running in the 70s, so pretty comfortable conditions this morning. 77 degrees under partly cloudy skies here at Wallops. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, freezing level at 16,000 feet. And as you can see in the low levels of the atmosphere, there's winds out of a northerly direction, bringing in some drier air from the north at 1,000 foot level, 17 knots. And then as we go up in height, those winds increase gradually up to the 25,000 foot level, where we see a westerly wind at 31 knots. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, that frontal boundary that moved through the region yesterday and into the evening hours last night has dropped south of the region and will stall over the Carolinas over the next couple of days, and it will have high pressure off to the north, providing us with a cooler, drier air mass with some north to northeasterly flow over the next couple of days, bringing us some cooler temperatures. Today we'll only see temperatures reaching the mid 80s at the most for our max temperatures, and even cooler than that as we go into the day on Wednesday. So taking a look at our satellite radar composite this morning, you can see some upper level cloudiness streaming in from the southwest, and we'll be dealing with a little bit of upper level cloudiness through the morning and afternoon hours, and also some lower level cloudiness will make its way through the region as well as we go through the later afternoon hours and into the evening tonight, especially during the overnight hours and into the day tomorrow, as we'll see our winds turn out of a northeasterly direction and bringing in a little bit more of a maritime atmosphere into the Wallops region. So looking at the forecast maps and what we can expect over the next couple of days, that frontal boundary should stay south of our region throughout the afternoon today, providing us with very comfortable conditions. No threat for precipitation today or any kind of lightning hazards out there for your Tuesday. And then as we go into the evening hours of Tuesday night and into the day of Wednesday, you can see that frontal boundary still to our south, high pressure to our north, and that will bring in more of a northeasterly flow as that high pressure area builds in a little stronger into the region on Wednesday. As a result, we'll see some lower level moisture begin to move into the region on Wednesday. Some lower level cloudiness as well will be probable for your Wednesday forecast. But also we'll see, as you can see on the forecast map here, some very light rain shower activity off the coast try to make its way in from the northeast, so I can't rule out a light rain shower or sprinkle during the day on Wednesday as we see those showers circulate in off of the ocean throughout the day. So looking for mostly cloudy conditions tomorrow. Could see a few peaks of sunshine, but certainly we'll see a little bit cooler condition as well as we see that northeasterly flow continue. So we go into the Wednesday evening time period, a high pressure begins to shift off the coast, and into the day on Thursday we'll see winds turn more southerly in direction, and we'll see a warmer, more humid atmosphere begin to return to the Wallops region by the end of the week. So taking a look at our next 24 hours and what we can expect for today in a little bit more detail, you'll see the winds out of the northwest currently stay out of the northwest as we go into the late morning and afternoon hours, and then eventually switch out of the north-northeast as we go into the late afternoon and early evening hours, around 6 to 12 knots later this evening. Could pick up a little bit as we see that wind change off to a northeasterly direction later this evening, so we could see a little quick surge of increased winds up to around 8 to 13 knots, gusting to 15 knots during the evening hours. We'll see mostly cloudy conditions overnight tonight with a low temperature of 68 and a few light rain showers possible by early tomorrow morning. So our only hazard on the chart this morning for the next 24 hours will be early tomorrow morning with that very slight chance of a light rain shower or a sprinkle. So go to the next couple of days. You can see Wednesday's forecast, much cooler than what we have been dealing with over the last several days. High temperature forecast of 80 degrees for tomorrow. Again, we'll see mostly cloudy conditions. We'll see a few peaks of sunshine possible throughout the day tomorrow, but with that we'll also see a slight chance of a few light rain showers or sprinkles periodically throughout the day as well. Only about a 16 to 40% chance of rain shower activity during the day on Wednesday, and not really looking for any kind of real lightning threat, as we'll just see some light showers circulate in off the ocean. Wednesday night, expect partly to mostly cloudy skies with a low temperature of 69 degrees. And then for Thursday, we'll see temperatures begin to rebound a bit as we see that wind turn more out of a southerly direction. Mostly cloudy skies expected on Thursday with a high temperature of 85 degrees. So for your next 7 days, looking at a pretty nice forecast for us temperature-wise through the midweek, with 84 degrees forecasted for today, 80 degrees for Wednesday, and again we'll see mostly cloudy conditions with a slight chance of some light rain and sprinkle activity out there as well on Wednesday. And as we go into the end of the week, we'll see that humidity return to the region. 85 degrees on Thursday, 86 degrees on Friday, and Friday looks like a pretty good bet that we'll see some showers or thunderstorms in the area as the frontal boundary moves through the region. Looks like that front will drift south and east of the area Friday night into Saturday morning, with just a slight chance of some morning showers or thunderstorms on Saturday, and then it looks like we'll see conditions improve for the weekend. So yesterday it was looking a little uncertain as far as the weekend weather. Today looking a little bit more likely that we're going to see some nice conditions for the weekend as that front looks to drop south of the area early Saturday morning, and Saturday and Sunday look like at least Saturday afternoon through Sunday should be some pretty nice conditions with dry weather and mostly sunny conditions, and then those temperatures really only running in the low to mid 80s for daytime highs. So looking like a pretty good weekend setting up at this point. And then as we go into the beginning of next week on Monday, looking for pretty similar conditions with just possibly some more cloudiness in store for us to start the work week. That'll wrap it up for today's briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 for your look at a short-term weather forecast, and then at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing. Have a nice day.